Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Nintendo Switch app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just go ahead and jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've opened up my Nintendo Switch. This is what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and a bit easier to read, what we need to do is go back, and now we need to click into the settings app on our mobile device. Now from settings, navigate lower and look for display. Go ahead and tap into display. Once you're inside display, again go lower on the pages, scroll down and look for font size and style. And once you're inside font size and style, you're going to see a slider under font size. So if you move this slider left to right, this is going to decrease your font size. Move it to the right, it's going to increase it. So keep it near the right hand side, and that's going to automatically make your font size in your Nintendo Switch larger. So if I go ahead and tap in Nintendo Switch, you can see the font size has been increased by that much. So yeah, just have a play around with that slider and find a font size that makes it easier for you to read the Nintendo Switch text.